Welcome back to Iron Slugs Garage, and we're going to cut this roof off, everything off, and put this new one on. I don't have a whole lot of time, so it's just going to be basically just stripped off, trimmed up, and kind of just set in place to get an idea where I'm at. If it's your first time seeing this, I got this car with the roof already cut off. It was a coupe, and I tried to extend it out to make the roof longer. It wasn't working out. And then I found a 4-door that was being parted out, and I cut the roof off of that. It was just in a field. The car was already thrashed, unrepairable, so I didn't ruin another car to get a roof for this one. Yeah, we're just gonna give it a go and redo it all. Door frames, everything's gonna go. I've gotten some feedback that why you do the door frames before the roof. Well, the thing is, the doors are already thrashed. The doors need to be repaired. The other one needs to be replaced. Not a big deal. It's just something to practice on, have some fun, get some ideas rolling. But yeah, I'm gonna just get to cutting away on this thing and see where we're at. And this is the only view we're gonna get. The garage is thrashed. This angle makes it look okay. Well, here's the little bit I was able to get done while I was smoking some chicken. Oh man, bear with me here. This thing's pretty friggin' rough. Pretty rough here. I don't know, yeah, I mean, these are gonna go. This is gonna go. The overall roof, great. Pushes me way back. I already got some metal to work with, more to fill in. The chop is definitely not as aggressive. Might bring it down a scotch or leave it. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But yeah, door frame's gonna go. This is gonna go. Figure out how to cut these panels down to go into here. All that. Yeah, I mean, it's hefty for sure. But, you know, I'm just taking sheet metal from a couple cars and trying to make a good one. You know. But, yeah, this is where we're at. I don't know. It's alright. It's alright. No cars were harmed in the making of this. Yeah, we'll figure something out. Well, my GoPro is dead and I don't have enough battery storage. So I'm using my phone here with a broken tripod that's zip tied to my toolbox here. I'm gonna just keep picking away at this thing. Gonna go and cut the pillars off. Pie cut here, both sides, trying to flare it out. I'll probably end up cutting off the frames. Let's work on getting this roof shape, and then I'll come back to the doors, the window, all that good stuff. So let's get back to some work on this new roof. Whoa, okay, we are back to the very beginning. I'm feeling much better now that we could have a clean slate. So we get to start over. We got the nice, bigger roof. It's not nicer. It's been in the field for who knows how long. But it's plenty long enough. The jack door frames are gone. We're gonna get this roof, shoot it back, get the window, work on some pillars, or not pillars, sail panels. It's, the rear window area, but oh man, yeah. Let's get to it. one little issue here. I'm not getting that taper down that I'm looking for. I'm gonna pie cut the inside of the pillar, and hopefully it'll fold. So we'll see. Well, this is where I'm gonna stop the video. And here's some criticism. But no, I'm not sure if I'm going to just lop all this off and just keep it big and open, or if I'm gonna try to make door frames, window frame. I'm not sure. I know door frames, they look the absolute best when they're got the slant post, but I didn't have a finished product to start with, so I'm not really sure how to incorporate that in there. I mean, overall, I think it's looking all right. Let's get a little bit closer, huh? Yeah, just do a little black paint on just to spice it up a little bit. So this is all the rear window section from the coupe. I ended up lopping off a section from the sedan roof to add on this rear window area, just so I can keep the line better. The sedan one was tapering off like right here. It just looked a little funny. Rear window section. But man, it's so far looking a lot better than trying to make that coupe roof work. The chop is still pretty aggressive. I think it's about an inch taller than what it was previously. I haven't measured. I'm just winging it. But man, it's looking better. It's looking better. But yep, there's a little bit of a just trial and error, just trying to figure this thing out. If you made it this far, as I said in the beginning, I didn't ruin any cars. I bought this car with the roof already cut off. Cut the roof off of another car that was rotten in a field. So, I'm just trying to have some fun, learn some metal. Hopefully get a cool chop top out of it, but if I don't, no harm, no foul. I mean, no, I didn't cut up any cars. Yep. I feel more confident now with this much going on. So, hope you enjoyed.